day tactical mo akwaba
boss me joso
bibia bokode
oba de adaloma
bere nyame ase yenya ne ntem na yema police no embra ansa yako Accra Sports Stadium coach Ali any Martino wo hono ma omde commentary no eba and the Champions League game had to folk versus Cancer my team
mate wo ansa na be shase no yenkai ho se Kumasi Asante Kotoko assign Prosper Nete Ogun menya no shortly na membra the big game ne so the thing say technical structure ade as one respect here enya de be ye adwuma ma and the enmity here now catch me se me metina baby a woti ya na enenke be free prince na ma de ache but meti ha na me biebie ne ma so a esi so what baby out na purple mu a emu yedu. This is balance and this is what Prosper Nate brings on board at Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Inti okay say under Beroto yenya obi te say Gamma no ball the number 9 rule of which Gamma onye striker but under Ogum no yebehu say technical structure no ye adwuma obe set the base no ama club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko but as to whether the powers that be our Kotoko no everyone in the free hands to operate and so a different factor. Now to the big game. Accra House of Folk Asia Kamsa. Now here Kamsa omobo the Guinea Championnat another French league another Ligue 1 Pro ewo Guinea enone Guinea omo top flight any dino no Ligue 1 Pro. Now omoba with second with 46 points. Niyankensi so say Kamsa for no omuni history when it comes to the Ligue 1 Pro no. Ne nyina ne say since Ligue 1 Pro no in 1965 no.
That is the
Guinea National League, Guinea Top Flight League no.
Okay.
In 1965 no. Teams are ebono dubako that is 14. Current champions no Royal AC almost so enagene dodo omeje do son 17 league titles. Now no omobo 46 matches and omobo 26 matches. Omu wini emu dumienu omu lusu emu 9 ena omu draw edu na omu share goals 33 eduasam yensa that is omu share yesan show mu effect ye show mu dunson omu concede 17 goals into omu bo 26 matches omu wini 12 omu lusu 10 sorry, omo lose 4, omo draw 10, omo share 33 goals, ena omo ye show omo 17 goals. Now omo last 4 matches no, omo win 3, ena omo lose bako. Omo highest results in their lifespan as a club no. Omo Coupe National ke oha nkomo FA Cup. Omo ye runner up miensa Baku in 2004 Baku in 2006 and the last one no in 2013 omo head coach no Daniel Briard and can no sinakan and I know a head coach Edema OJC Nice France but I say no what take reigns Kamsa but and at the end him say Kamsa for no omo scheme of play ni omo je air boss di because omo progress no and now omo height no so na the bema has folk so omo the upper hand necessity be elbow home omo the home supporters but enya there the home supporters and has folk ebenya but familiarity on the field has folk upper hand because omo nim Accra Sports Stadium omo nim pitch no. Now when it comes to the weather acclimatization house of folks so on top make say weather acclimatization na obi ho ni bo but okopie region there because of weather ninti ontimi mo because physiological setup so key in every player itina player be bobo a serious club ya no oko 2-3 weeks ahead because player be ohia 2 hours.
Okay.
Ohia 4 hours. Obi here 24 hours. And sana ne weather no. And sana ne body no. And ne ho weather no. Afa
adjusted.
Inti we so eko edema house of. But ni nyina mu no so maka weather acclimatization ho asem no now what the lineup not to dra what the squad no atodra Samuel Boadu of course me with the lineup not to dra me who say or the 4-3-3 widespread formation no and beko because o has Samuel Boadu a oje expansive football edi ball no e won 10-10 wa eno na yen hwe nim enfan free Samuel Boadu ho enti enfan won say House of Folk omo team no main architects no omu ni quality bia no but the name House of Folk alone akura pedigree when it comes to African football and the African terrain. Now coach no so ni dende breed ono so enim African scene kakra because we are coaching African teams ni bi enti yen hwe anim say the scheme of play of Accra House of Folk a possessive based football you know expansive football ball no e won 10-10 wa ho yen hwe anim fan free Samuel Boadu ho say ebeye adwuma na in case say on best summon sama House of Folk o attacking scheme no obekbo the Scorpion or the free bani ebegina center forwards in two nachi to feed in drop balls no edeba attackers no enti ene Samuel Boadu so ene futuo so ebekwa ama no ogina ho a ne gestures no e was say ohwe ho na o was so ne boase because Ghana oye yanka ho asem but Africa akoya ansha na ya ansha na decisions no anko anfa na sa enti ni nyina mu no House of Folk to me almost stand the favorites against Kamsa ni nyina mu so no na enchi akese so eko e de ama me yonko brebo say no oko Dubai odruwana na ya Doris Day
okay
now or Encran no United States of Accra by say no akopie mu e wo Dubai okoto na edusian so e wo ho ye ngina so na ye mfa enchia enko ema no Andy
all right tactical Andy me da se enche ye be ma college na ben because ye be kwa Accra